Hello, Shining Soul, and good morning. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Solia, a certified meditation teacher, and I am so grateful to be guiding you today. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment. Find a comfortable position wherever you are right now. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. And gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and a long, easy breath out. Today we're going to spend this time reminding ourselves of something we may have forgotten, that we are already enough just as we are. There is nothing to fix, nothing to prove, and nothing to earn. Only this moment and you exactly as you are. Gently repeat these affirmations, simply letting them settle into you. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. I accept myself fully and completely. I do not need to be perfect to be loved. I am allowed to take up space. Now gently bring your awareness to your body. Notice your hands, your feet, the weight of your body supported. This body has carried you through every day of your life, through hard days and joyful ones. It deserves your kindness. Let's offer it some gratitude. Thank you, body, for carrying me. I treat my body with patience and respect. I am safe inside my own skin. Now imagine for a moment that you are looking into a mirror, looking gently into your own eyes. What would it feel like to speak to yourself the way you'd speak to someone you love? Let's practice that now. I am proud of who I am becoming. I forgive myself for the moments I judged myself harshly. I speak to myself with kindness. I am allowed to grow at my own pace. I am enough, even on the days I don't feel like it. Let's bring our attention back to right now, to this breath, this moment. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to have figured out. Just this, just you, just now. Let's carry these affirmations with us into the day. I am enough. I am worthy. I am safe. I am loved by others and by myself. Whatever today brings, you can return to this feeling, this quiet knowing that you are already whole. Carry it gently with you. Take one more deep breath in and slowly release. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. If this uplifted your morning, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps this light reach more souls. Stay shining and continue your spiritual journey by clicking on the next video. You are loved.